If you have a Skype appointment with a tutor from the Centre for Academic Success, it's very helpful to know how to share your work with your tutor. This enables your tutor to show you live visuals of your work as they talk about it, so that you can see exactly which part they are referring to. To share your work with your tutor, open Skype's conversation function, and then click on the series of 3 dots at the bottom right hand corner. Then click the file and photo icon to add a file. Select your file and click Open, and your tutor will be able to see your work. They will then share their screen with you, gesture using the mouse, and even highlight and add comments to your work, so you can see exactly which elements they are talking about. And that's all there is to it. You can now share your work live with your tutor from the comfort of your own home. Remember, appointments are 30 minutes in length, and if you want to get the most out of your time, you should come with questions about specific sections of your essay. This will help your tutor know exactly how to help you, and will ensure you get as much help as possible in the time available. With the Centre for Academic Success, help is just a click away.